Percentages do not matter. So kuna mtu amesema percentages do not matter whenever you're trading market ya even not ama wanda ama matches and differs. But then do they matter? Do they really matter? Because unaweza funza mtu anakuuliza inafaa kwa percent ya ngapi? Hii namba inafaa kwa imefika 10% vitu kama hizo, sawa sawa. So one thing you have to know hapo kwa Deliv, na kama ujui unafaa kujua hii. Unafaa kujua hii. Zile percentages unaonanga pale maybe 10.2, 10.9, 11.2, 12.6 zinakuwa zimefanywa average for the last 1000 ticks. Sasa, but ukienda to so many analysis tool, over 95% of these third party sites in your analysis tool, you can customize maybe to 25 ticks, to 30 ticks, to 90 ticks, to 100 ticks, okay? So the more the sample size is bigger and the maximum inakuanga 1000, na hiyo ndio inaweza kurecommend ukuwe unatumia most of the time because they pay using that. Sasa, the more the sample size is bigger, which is 1000 ticks, percentages to some extent do not matter. Maybe for the green bar, red bar, the most appearing and the least appearing. But when now you start customizing from 1000 ticks to maybe 100 ticks to maybe 200 ticks to maybe 50 ticks, percentages lazima imata sana because they change very fast. They change. Inatoka maybe 10.6 inaruka maybe to 19.6. Hata ukienda kucustomize maybe to something like maybe 50 ticks. Kuna namba utakuta maybe hata iko 50%, maybe iko maybe 35%, okay? But ukicustomize to 1000 ticks ni ngumu sana hata namba ifike 15%. So percentages do not matter most when you use when you analyze your market from 1000 ticks, but when you customize the number of ticks to maybe 100 lower ticks kabisa, percentages do matter. But in most cases nasemanga green bar, in most cases mimi ukiniuliza nasema green bar is why ipita 13%. Ikipita 13%, most of my strategies do not work. When green bar imepita 13%, lazima ikuwe 13% kurudi nyuma, sawa sawa.